In this question, you're told that from G, the bearing of A is 52 degrees. From A, the bearing of E is 216 degrees. And we are asked to find how far apart are G and E. So the first thing I want to do is label the triangle and then insert all of the information given. So if we have capital A on this vertex, then lowercase a would be here. If we have capital G here, then directly opposite, we'll have lowercase g here. And if capital E is here, then opposite that, we'll have lowercase e. Now, from the question, when it says from G, that wants you to start at G and work your way clockwise from the north line. So from G, the bearing of A, so when you reach A, you have 52 degrees. So I'm going to squeeze in 052. Okay, so that's from G to this line here that takes you to A. And then it says from A, the bearing of E is 216 degrees. So I need to start at A, from A, and work my way clockwise from the north line to reach the E line. So I'm going to actually write or draw this in. See, I'm stopping here. This is 216 degrees from the north line round to this line connecting to E. Okay, now the question wants me to find how far apart are G and E. So G to E, let's put a question mark here. Okay, so I'll need a little bit more information to find A. So let's find out what I actually need. So to find this length, I need to use A squared equals, now it's the other two lengths, so E squared plus G squared minus 2EG cos A. So if you're finding lowercase a, it's the capital A for your angle that you need. Now I'm going to need to substitute in some values here, but as you can see, I don't know what this angle is and I need that for my capital A here. So let's try and figure out what this angle is. So as you can see, we have two north lines here, two parallel collinear lines. So these two angles here and here will add up to 180 degrees. So if I just do some working at the side here, if I subtract 52 from 180, I will get 128. And I'm going to squeeze in 128 here. Okay, now to find this angle, I will need to use my knowledge of angles around a point. They all add up to 360 degrees. So if I add 128 plus 216, I get 344. If I subtract that from 360, I get 16 degrees. So I'm going to squeeze in 16 degrees here. Oh, 016 for bearing, sorry. Okay, so now I'm ready to substitute everything into this formula. So A squared equals 20 for your lowercase e, 20 squared plus 16 squared, subtract, now I'm going to use brackets here, 2 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 16 multiplied by cos 16 degrees. Now just type in all of this into your calculator, use brackets around the 2EG cos A so that the 2 has been multiplied by each of the terms here. Now that will give you 40.7925. Now make sure you just do ... before you're rounding. Now bear in mind you still need to find A, So instead of taking this off your calculator at this stage, keep it on the screen and then just press the square root button and square root this answer. So there's an answer button, you can just press the square root button and then answer. That is going to give you 6.3869, and then let's round this. So the other lengths are rounded to 0 dp. I'm going to just round this to 1 decimal place. Okay, so the 8 rounds the 3 up to a 4, and this was a length. The lengths were in kilometres, so that's your final answer.